Hello and welcome back to Joyce News TV, a home for lovers of freedom, and welcome if you are new. On this channel, we will be bringing you latest news and gist and more. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new video. In this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Filed appropriately, filed at the right place, in accordance with the excellent rule of the law that guides the procedure of the court. I hope and believe that this is one offense that is captured in the open space. Proving all the counts in this charge requires no any effort. It's one charge that within the principle of an act, if the crime is allowed to continue, it will be concluded within the crime. And this honorable court of good justice. And like I always say, this is just one of the several countries employed to delay criminal trial in Nigeria. This criminal justice
Okay, if you just watch us, this is the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Federal High Court Abuja. The case happened for Court 2. We just talked to the prosecution lawyer where say then they can't pay and they know say all the allegation, all the issues where they bring against Nnamdi Kanu, they can't pay and they go make sure say they go prove them for court when trial begin. So we wait for the defense lawyer to tell us exactly what happened for court today. What happened for court today be say both the prosecution lawyer and that's the government lawyer and the defense lawyer all been there court today. The prosecution lawyer agrees say yes, say the two application where be say application to throw away the allegation, the 15 count charges where government bring come, say they don't see them, and also the application for bail, say they don't see them. Also, another issue where the defense counsel carry come court also be say, they say Nnamdi Kanu glass where they suppose carry read, they say DSS sees them from him. As sake of that one, say if he go blind, if he no get in glasses back. And so waiting the trial judge being talk Justice Binta Minyako say make DSS make sure say kia then find in glasses, that's in the eyeglass where they used to take read, make them make sure say they find and give them, and make them make sure say they find them and also give them to them before he appear for court for April 8th. So this matter they don't adjourn to April 8th for 12 noon on the 8th of April. So now that day then go hear the case. So we're going to talk, we're going to give you exactly what happened, and also to hear from waiting the defense counsel get to talk on top the matter. So now waiting happen for court today. So most journalists we know enter court in the court's room today, sake of say they don't allow everybody enter inside court. Nnamdi Kanu family members are also they here, and they happy say they see them, they snap picture with them. And one other issue where the defense counsel raised in a sake of say Nnamdi Kanu brothers them, where younger brother them been go the DSS facility, they no allow entrance into the, they no allow make it enter the facility. So that one self now issue where they also raised on top the matter. So now waiting they happen be this with the Federal High Court Abuja, court precisely outside of Court 2 where the trial of Nnamdi Kanu they be happen. They don't adjourn the case now, and so the lawyers then they come out from the court. Many of them go to talk, some of them go to talk to us about waiting really transpire inside the court, waiting really happen inside the court. So we're going to wait for them as they come out, and they're going to give us story as it happen inside court. So these Nnamdi Kanu relatives, nine brothers and relatives, be these ones. They also come the case. They come witness the the matter what happened inside court today. Well done, sir. I'm very fine. Yes, we know say you dey inside court today. Me na BBC Pidgin. If you just tell us wetin really happen inside court today, wetin una see, wetin una talk, wetin happen inside court today.
Arguments. And you know, so what you come to that when the lawyer come talk say all these charges when they bring, say no be charges at all. Say make the court do only way. So we have to talk to young. So I say, let them come to you and we say that correct. So don't decide by any what are you saying? So what you have to say? The lawyers who are coming.
Okay, so Nnamdi Kanu lawyers don't promote. If we hear what they get to talk. If you just watch us, this now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Federal High Court Abuja. We did the 5th floor where court today, where the trial they go on before Justice Binta Nyako. So we wait for the defense lawyer Mike Ozekome make it brief us on top waiting happen inside court today. Okay, if you just watch us, this is the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Federal High Court Abuja, where the court just adjourned the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra group where government don't prescribe, and court 2 for Federal High Court floor 5 where the case they go on.
So that will be all from us today. I really hope to see you in our next video. If there's anything you like to comment about, feel free to comment at the comment section, okay? And we will get back to you. As always, thanks for watching.